In this video I will show you how to dockerize a Django project. Basically Docker is the tool that help you package your application and its dependency into a container, making it easy to run anywhere, whether it's on your local machine or on production server or any cloud server. Hope so by the end of this video you will know how to set up a Docker with Django, making your project portable and easy to deploy. So first of all, you just need to go into the docker.com, and where you can download the Docker for Docker desktop, where we can manage our container and images. If you don't have, then you can simply click on download. If you are using Mac or if you are using any other operating system, then simply download and install in your system. After installing this, we just need to go into our VS Code and we'll create our Django project, and then we will see how we can dockerize our Django project. First of all, I just need to create a virtual environment for this project. Let me create this one with the command, and after creating this we will activate this virtual environment. So source vnv bin activate. After activate this environment, we simply install Django. We will install the Django. After installing Django, then we will create the Django project. Let's create a Django project like Django admin start project, and we can give any name to this project like a project, and it will create a Django project for us as you can see. Then simply we will move into this project like a cd project, and we will run this project. Simple run this project. Here you can see we created the Django project and it's successfully run on our system. And now simply we will just create the environment like a requirement file pfreeze greater than requirement .txt. After doing this, we will see here is our requirement file where we hold all the requirement of this project. Now the time where we can dockerize the project. So first of all, we just simply need to go to create a file in our root directory of our project like a docker file, this one, and also we need to create a one more file in our root directory with the name of docker compose.yaml. We have now we have two file, like one is docker file and one is docker compose.yaml. So we will first of all we will see the difference between these two file and how they work for us. So first of all, docker file is a set of instructions that tells Docker how to build a specific image for our project like our Django project. Think of it as a recipe for creating an environment for your app need to run, and the Docker file define the base image like a Python, install the dependency, copy project file into the container, and specific command like starting the Django development server, etc. So we will do this all these things in a Docker file. Also, the Docker file allow us to create a consistent environment no matter where we deploy our project, whether you are on Linux, Mac OS or Windows. Our Docker ensure the project run exactly the same. So the Docker file define what goes inside the container like the Python version, the app source code, and the command to run. So the Docker file define us these things inside the Docker file, and the Docker compose basically manage multiple services or container, allowing them to work together like a we will use Django, we will use which database like a Postgres or any services like a Redis, etc. So for this I just need to copy the content of the Docker file, like here you can see we can copy this content, and simply we will move inside there. As we seen, we seen the difference like a Docker file and Docker compose, where we define our Docker image like which Python version, source code, environment, and our development server, etc. So in our Docker compose.yaml, we have another file. So we just need to copy the content here and just paste inside it. So we will paste inside it. So we can see the and we define the version, services, and then web, and then build dot. It's mean all the images and the command where we want to run our Django development server, and the volume where we will define our container and the port. So after defining this, we just need to start like a Docker desktop. Like let me open this one. When we open this one, then we can simply run a command like a Docker compose build. When we Docker compose build this, then it will create a one image for us, and when we run Docker compose run, then it will make sure it will be making a image for us to see our container and images here which are currently running. So simply we just need to run these command. Like it will take a lot of time to build a image. So that I already built a image, let me show you. Like we simple just run the command docker compose build, and then it will build a simple image for us, and then we will run docker compose up, then it will start the project for us. Like you can see, it can start our project where we can see our project is running successfully. Hope so you get the concept how we can dockerize our Django project.